In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files on OneDrive in just about 5 minutes. First things first, begin by navigating to the Microsoft website, the starting point of our journey. Once there, you'll want to locate and click the Sign In button displayed prominently on their page. This is your gateway to accessing OneDrive and its features, among other Microsoft services. After clicking Sign In, it's time to enter your email address associated with your Microsoft account. Make sure you've got it right to avoid any sign-in issues. With your email entered, proceed by clicking Next. This brings us to a familiar step in the login process, entering your password. Once you've entered your password correctly, click on Next again to proceed. You may be prompted to stay signed in at this point. If you're using a personal and secure device, clicking Yes might be convenient for you. This step skips the need to enter your login credentials each time you visit Microsoft sites. Now that you're logged in, it's time to dive into the heart of OneDrive. Click on All Microsoft from the navigation options, then on OneDrive. This action leads you directly to Microsoft's OneDrive page. Here you will again see a Sign In option. Click on it to proceed. After signing in, you'll be taken home, your OneDrive home that is. It's where all your stored files and folders reside in the cloud. From here, navigate by clicking on My Files. This section is the core area where your files are organized and ready for you to work with. Locate the file you wish to share. You might find yourself scrolling through your documents, photos, or folders. Once you've found the file, click on the three-dot icon, sometimes called the More Options menu adjacent to the file's name. This action will unveil additional functionalities related to your chosen file. Choose Share from the popping options. This opens up a new dialog box that's all about sharing your file with others. Here you're prompted to add the name, group, or email of the person you wish to share the file with. This feature is particularly handy as it allows for both individuals and groups to gain access to your shared files, making collaboration smooth and efficient. Once you've inputted the relevant contact information, the final step is to click on Send. This action dispatches an email notification to the indicated recipients, granting them access to view or edit the file, depending on the permissions you've set. Sharing files on OneDrive facilitates collaboration and ensures your files are accessible wherever you go, as long as you have an internet connection. It's a powerful tool for both personal and professional use, making file management and sharing an effortless process. Remember, always double check the email addresses or names before sending to avoid unintended sharing, and consider what permissions you grant, view, or edit. This ensures that your files are shared exactly as you intend, maintaining both security and convenience. OneDrive's file sharing capabilities are designed to enhance productivity and streamline your digital life. By following these simple steps, you're not only organizing your files in the cloud, but also ensuring they're shared with the right people exactly when they need them. Whether it's for work collaboration or sharing family photos, OneDrive's sharing feature has got you covered. That's all there is to it. You now know how to share files on OneDrive quickly and securely. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to rewatch any parts of this video if you need to review the steps. Remember, with OneDrive, your files are just a few clicks away from being shared with your peers, family, or friends. Thank you for watching and happy sharing.